The reason you want negative feedback and you want a negative feedback loop is because you want to be able to improve. And the only way you really can improve is if somebody else tells you where you're wrong and how to improve it. When you're using LLMs of code, the information you're getting back is always going to be correct with your prompt. The only way you're really going to be able to get negative feedback is if you have somebody else with experience or just a different perspective review your code. If you don't have that opportunity, if you're coding by yourself, you're working by yourself, the other way is trial by fire, where you push something to production or you release something and your users are like, hey, this isn't working, this is breaking. And so these are really two primary ways a developer can improve via negative feedback loops. You learn, hey, this didn't work, this failed, and this is how I'm going to improve it. You basically fix your own problems. When you're using LLMs to code, a lot of your feedback loops are generally positive. Your LLM's not going to say like, hey, that's a bad idea. Hey, I don't think that logic makes sense. Hey, you need to improve your prompt here and there. You're not really getting that feedback. And unless you're really proactive and you have like a decent amount of experience, you're not going to be able to improve unless you're getting outside resources to come in and basically fill in your gaps. So my advice to people that are coding and you're getting just good results all the time, that you're just like, hey, I'm on fire, I'm writing a prompt and the code comes back and it's great. If that's happening for you too much, be careful, because you might run into an issue where it's like, yo, I don't know how to fix this. I'm 20,000 lines of code in and I'm running into this issue. I thought I had an idea because everything made sense. But the reality of it is, if something makes sense and you don't know how it works, you still don't know how it works. So my advice is get some kind of system where you're able to get negative feedback and be able to learn to get better at writing prompts, get better at reviewing code,